Did you know a woman once commanded a fleet so powerful that 3 different navies tried to destroy her and all 3 failed? Qing Shi was born into poverty in 1775, working on a floating brothel in Canton. By the time she was 30, she had taken over her husband's pirate operation after his sudden death and turned it into something the world had never seen. 80,000 sailors, 1,800 ships, all under her command. She didn't rule through fear alone. She wrote a strict code of law. Steal from a village that supplied your fleet, and you were executed. Desert your post, and you lost your ears. Her outlaws became soldiers. The British tried to stop her. The Portuguese tried. The Chinese Imperial Navy tried. Every single one of them failed. And when she finally decided she was done, she sat across from Qing government officials and negotiated her own retirement. She kept her wealth, walked away free, and lived to 69. She didn't escape history. She wrote it herself.